Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Ramin's Math channel. How are you? I hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to start from page number 35. Concept of prediction. Okay, the first question is there were two birds in a tree. Later, 7 more birds sat on the tree. Now, what is the total number of birds in the tree? So, there we know by the previous lessons we did that we have to add 2 with 7. So if we add 2 with 7, answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 birds. 9 birds. We have to write the mathematical statement in that column. Okay. এখানে একটি কোশ্চেন ছিল যে একটি গাছে দুটি পাখি ছিল। এখন আরো 7টি পাখি এটার মধ্যে বসেছে। তাহলে এখন মোট কয়টি পাখি আছে? তাহলে এখানে আমাদের কি হবে? এখানে আমাদের 2 এর সাথে 7 যোগ করতে হবে। 2 এর সাথে 7 যোগ করলে আমরা 9 পেয়েছি। At first there were 4 brinjals. Tisha's mother bought 6 more brinjals. Now what would be the total number of brinjals? At first there were how many brinjals? 4 brinjals. Now Tisha's mother bought 6 more brinjals. So how many brinjals Tisha's mother bought? Tisha's mother bought 6 brinjals. Now what would be the total number of brinjals? So there, if we want to find out the total number of brinjals, we know that we have to add 4 with what? 4 with 6, as Tisha's mother bought 6 more brinjals. So if we add 4 with 6, answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 brinjals. 10 brinjals. We have to write the mathematical statement here. 4 plus 6 equals to 10. এখানে আমাদের প্রথমে ধরে নাও যে তিশার কাছে 4টা ব্রিঞ্জলস ছিল। সরি, তিশার মাদার কাছে তার 4টা ব্রিঞ্জলস ছিল। এখন সে আরো 6টি কিনেছে। তাহলে এখন তার কাছে মোট কয়টি ব্রিঞ্জলস আছে? তাহলে এখানে কি করেছি আমরা? এখানে আমরা 4টার সাথে 6 যোগ করেছি। তাহলে 4 এর সাথে 6 যোগ করলে 10 হবে। 10 brinjals. Let us add 5 plus 1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1 plus 2 equals to 1, 2, 3. 8 plus 2 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 plus 3 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 plus 2 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 4 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 2 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 4 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 5 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 4 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4 plus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's all for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.